I was pleasantly impressed with the development of China. Especially is that your country embracing and advancing the people-centered approach to urban planning. I think this is one area that many countries should look at it. I think this is as important because we also putting the people at the center of our program. As you said, that leaving no one and no place behind. Really impressed that your progress on eradicating extreme poverty and also the achieving the relevant SDG. And I can see that the China is active on climate change issues, successful in your housing project, eradicating poverty and to house your people. I think this is one area we should share with other countries. From the past 3 decades, I think the cooperation has broadened. China has played a more positive, supportive and crucial role in supporting UN Habitat mandates. So we count on China as strong friends to us and collaborate in promoting the multilateralism and also hoping to advocate the implementation of the new urban agenda.